Where did I get this? Um, the carinderia. It's in the carinderia. It's on the table of where are we gonna eat. Then I just grab it with my paper. My paper is there, and this pen is there. And then I grab it. I thought it was mine, and then when I was outside, I look at my hands. This pen is not mine. I was gonna put it there back. I was gonna put it back, but I was too lazy, so I just get the fuck out of there. Yes. No, I'm not a thief. I accidentally took it with me. So it's accident. Yes. I'm not a thief. Closer, Ramos. Oh shit, I'm shutting down. Okay. Oh no. Bye. I'm gonna charge. Yeah. Matanda ka na sa Matanda ka na kasi. Maalaala mo kaya? Ang sumpa mo sa akin. By Aya. Why are you saying bye? Ikaw bata ka pa ba? Oo. Don't break any more laws. I didn't steal it. It's just that I just saw it on my hands. It's already on my hands. So I just take it with me. Well, I'm not gonna throw that away. Booza. I'm gonna be back at 6, 7. Yes, cause I need an hour more. Fuck. Fuck my life. Wait, give me a sec. Jason. I'm gonna be sleep. Yeah, you should sleep. It's, I think, 5 a.m. there. You should sleep. Good afternoon, babe. Bawal dito, bata. Kaya nga! Ba't andito ba ako? I'm still young. I'm just 14 years old. Yes. Nasasakal ako. I'm just 14 fucking years old. Bawal dito sinungaling ka nyo sa ano. Anyways. Hatak ka na naman ng hatak. Nasasakal nga ako eh. Hindi nga ako makahinga. I cannot breathe. What that? Ano ba? Wala pala akong short. Maikli pala short ko, tangina. Bay na nga! Ano daw? Ilang taon ka na? 14, ay hindi, 18 pala. I'm 18 years old. If you want me, call me. Bye! Asan na yung tangina? Busy. Mukha mo 18. I'm 18 na. What do you mean? My face? That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh shit. You're gonna see my underwear. Don't. Anyways, gotta go, guys. Malis ka na nga. Ayoko. No. I'm not going anywhere without you. No. Hinatakbin. Makban. Hello. Oh, it was a prank. What? What was what is the prank? Oh my god. My English is broke. I need to go. Kevin, no. Emiliano. I'm gonna die. Taga. Bakit ba? Ba't Bakit mo ako pinapalayas? Ay, ano ba ako makita? Hoy, paano magtanggal ng admin? Ina naman. Magtatanggal nga akong admin. Kala mo yan. How dare you not go here, motherfucker? Users ba yun? Saan ba yun? Ayun, nakita ko na admin. Tanggalin natin yan. Bakit na yan? Yan. You're gone. Kita ko na. He's gone. Gone. La, online na siya. Online na siya. When are you gonna promote me to admin? What's the guy got to do? Do you want to be an admin? Are you gonna kick these boys out? Comment. Comment. I'm gonna look for an admin. Find me a good one. Yes, ma'am. I'm Ray. Oh, you're not gonna kick them out? I've been training. Alright.